Hi, I'm Nicole from Shazamme, just bringing you a quick tip that came about. Client was after a particular photo that they'd found on Canva. However, it wasn't able to be downloaded and used for something if it wasn't used within the Canva environment. So a good example of how you can use a new product called Google Lens, and it's available on iOS and on Android devices as well. So on your Google screen on your mobile, you will see there is a little square that you can actually press there. Not that one. This one here, and that will actually bring up a photography area that will look for particular things. So I'm just going to take a photo at the moment of a particular image, and this one was specifically on Canva. And what it will do is it'll actually go into the World Wide Web and look for where that photo actually either appears or where it is available currently. And you can go in and you can actually find those other images. Really good if you are trying to find photos for your website, but you want to make sure that they haven't been used by anyone else potentially, but also to offer up other areas where you could get similar photos from. So that was the first user tip. The other was on an Android device, you can actually scan business cards with that Google Lens and it will import that information for you. Unfortunately, at the moment with Google, it will pull through the main information, but it won't create a contact from it. If you're cruising around the bookstores and you've seen a book that looks quite interesting, you can actually scan it. It will take you through to reviews. And that's actually exactly the same with restaurants. So if you're out the front of a restaurant, you want to see what it's like, you can actually scan their name and the image of that name, and it will actually bring up reviews on Google. If you're out cruising around and you're looking at architectural buildings, you can take a photo and it will give you data and information around that building as well. If there's a flower or a plant that you don't know what it is, you can scan that as well. So lots of things that you can do with Google Lens that I'm pretty sure that you'll find handy. But I think that the photo side of things, and we must also add, if you see a great handbag that you love, you can take a photo of that and it'll go look for it on the World Wide Web for you as well. So I hope those tips help you. I think it's extremely useful for finding great photos and things that you're interested in. Thank you so much. I'm Nicole. Have a great day.